guys, welcome back to my channel and another amazing video. I'm just kidding. Let me bring it down a notch and be a YouTuber for a second, right? Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like this video at the ending. Now back to regular schedule. I'm just kidding. Okay guys, this is Drawing Made Easy. Drawing Made Easy. So sweet, isn't it? So sweet. I'm not lying, it is made easy. So in this video, I am drawing my shapes without filling the sketch. And you know why I like to do that? Because I don't like to mess up my sketches. Because next thing you know, you fill your sketches and then you don't like the color and then you have to redo and redo. I don't like doing that. So throughout this drawing, I'm just drawing my shapes and filling the colors on different layers separate from my sketches, just in case I want to delete all these colors. I don't have to delete my sketches, and that's how I see it. Might be harder for you guys, but it's pretty easy this way for me. You should give it a try. I'm just kidding. You could do whatever you want, but this is the easiest way for me. So I'm adding some colors, some look kind of like a comic book, ninja, kind of anime-ish. I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, this was a freestyle. I was just going with the flow and going with my thoughts. I didn't think it through at all. And honestly, freestyle drawings are probably the best when you don't think about it at all. You just flow with whatever you're inspired at the moment by. That's how it works for me sometimes. So I basically just thought ninja, comic book, anime, and I just started doing all this crazy good looking stuff in one video. Yeah, anyways, back to regular scheduled program. So as I said, I'm just adding my colors and doing some background shapes. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. A triangle, a circle, and I'm just finding my vibe right now, getting some colors together. And I guess I like orange. I'm not a big fan of orange, but orange goes good with red. They usually say orange doesn't go good with anything, but guess what? It goes good with red. Okay, just take a look. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.